Hey everyone, 3 months for the CUET exam. Only 3 months to prepare for the most important exam of the season. 500 seats on offer. Admission into JNU, DSE, Hyderabad, DTU and so many other colleges. So what's the plan? You need a strategy to crack any exam. You need a strategy on the level of questions to do, the topic selection, difficulty level and so on. Now EduSure has been doing things differently and better every year. This year, we are going to give you 10 years of mock tests of CUET. Yes, 10 years. And to deliver the lectures, we are going to hire specialized faculty who've been doing CUET for many years. They are going to give you live classes 5 days a week. Micro, macro, math, stat, quant and English. They are going to give you notes on Indian economy and GK. We are going to give you mock tests and we are going to give you all the study material, every practice that you require. So what are you waiting for? The course is launching on 11th of December this month. Yes, 11th of December this month. Just 3 months to go to CUET. We're offering trial class and we're offering it at a price that you have never heard before in EduSure. So don't miss this chance. Do this now and see you in class.